Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show how to install the browser I think is the best, which is called hardened FireFox, and in this video I will show you guys how to install it using BetterFox. First, head over to this website to get FireFox. You can get the normal version, the beta version, the the developer version, and finally the nightly version. Basically, FireFox, the base variant, is the most stable. The beta and dev receive updates before FireFox, and nightly receives the updates first. The dev version also has some dev tools, which is good if you build websites. You can harden any version you want, but the logo of the developer version and nightly are just incredible. Now with any browser, search BetterFox. Click on the GitHub link from there, click on user.js, and you should be brought to this website. Now in FireFox, search about profile and search it. If you just installed FireFox, you can skip this step, but if you had been using it, I recommend to create a new profile. Since I just installed it, I will edit the default profile. In the root directory section, click on open folder. Now in that folder, make a file called user.js. If you can't, then in File Explorer in the view option, click on show then file name extension. Now rename the file, and when you do it, it might give you a warning, but you can just click on OK. Then, right-click and edit. It should open in Notepad. From there, go back to the website, and you should find a copy button. Click on it, and now go back to the Notepad and paste everything. But there are still some changes we need to make. You can click on here to learn more about that. Scroll down to the bottom in Notepad where you will find a section called My Overrides. There is where you are going to paste all the overrides you want. Basically, common things people want to change. You can find a list of those overrides here. And if you scroll down at the end of the website, you can find a section about scrolling. And if you click this, it will take you to a place where you can change the type of scrolling according to what is the refresh rate of your monitor. Like here you can see it is recommended for 60+ Hz. And if you scroll down, you can see what types of scrolling is recommended for your monitor refresh rate. Now find what is best for you and copy that whole entire section. After that, in the Notepad you should find a section called SmoothFox. Paste the copied text in that place. I still have not installed any overrides. I have already made a Notepad file with the most important or basic overrides like saving passwords, locations so you can use Google Maps. You can also deny it in FireFox after you use the override. For allowing location, now the last line here is a bit different. It should only be used if you have a dedicated GPU. If you have or use integrated GPU, then you can delete the 2 lines like how I did here. Now copy the text and paste it in the override section here. After that, you will have to save the file and restart FireFox. You can customize FireFox the way you like, example, removing these shortcuts, etc. Now I will show you some settings which you might need to change, like removing FireFox view by right-clicking and removing it. And also in the new tab page, removing the 2 things, import bookmark and getting started. If you want to import bookmarks, there's a better option. For that, open the settings and click on import data. With that you can import everything, search history, bookmarks, etc. Now there is another thing you could do, like click on the top part next to the URL bar and click on customize toolbar, and at the bottom changing the density to compact and saving it. You might have noticed these things in the search. To remove these, just go to the settings and in the right side, click on search and uncheck these options, and below uncheck all of these options. Now, when you can see how much cleaner it is compared to before, I have left all the links in the description down below, and if you have any issues, let me know in the comments section down below. Well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful in any way, leave a like on this video and maybe subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.